Hi, Kelly here from freebiefindingmom.com, and today I'm going to share with you how I apply Young Living's Savvy Minerals Mineral Makeup Foundation primarily. It's this right here. I'll show you how I apply it and kind of give you some of my tips and tricks that I have learned through the years of using it. So what I will tell you is the main reason I really wanted to do this tutorial for you is because I get told from some of you that you really want to try the Savvy Minerals makeup line, but you're either maybe had a bad experience with mineral makeup before, it seems complicated to use, you think mineral makeup can't give you good coverage, all those things I've heard, which is why I want to do this tutorial, because I assure you, I am not good at doing makeup. So if I can use this stuff and get decent results, it must be pretty good. Okay. Oh, hi Pat, thanks for joining. So having said that, I want to go ahead and get started and show you exactly what I do, some of the things that I use and love and why I use and love them, and the hopes that it really helps you, like I say, try Savvy Minerals Mineral Makeup because I think you'll love it. By the way, if as you watch this video, if you could give it a like or a heart, I would appreciate it. And if it's helpful for you, if you could share it to your Facebook page, that would be great. All right, the very first thing I do, and by the way, the makeup I have on right now, I have a little bit of lipstick and I have some eyeshadow, that's it, and some mascara, that's it. I don't have anything on here, anything like that, okay? Just my moisturizer this morning. And I'm extra shiny now that I say that because I just got done actually. Oh, I did put a little bit of coverage here, under eye coverage here, because I just got done from taking my son to the bus and it's crazy hot out and I was hauling his scooter, so I am extra shiny today. So you'll see, it's even better. You'll get to see exactly what this can do for you. All right, before I put any foundation on, I start with the Young Living Primer. I'm gonna be really honest with you here. I did not want to use this product. I did not want to like this product. I'll tell you why. I am all about low maintenance, minimal effort, and I'm not a makeup lover, okay? I probably shouldn't even say that, but I'm really not a makeup lover, but I do love this line, and there's several reasons why. One is I feel like it's natural. Two, it's good for my skin. Three, it gives me good results and quickly, okay? I am not a beauty blogger. I am not someone who watches YouTube videos and knows how to do all this stuff. This is just what I do. As you watch this, you may go, Kelly, that is not what you should be doing. That could be correct. You might be 100% right. This is what I do, okay? I'm all about getting my makeup done, ideally under 10 minutes, more like 5 to 7 would be nice, and moving on, okay? So I hesitated to try this primer. If you could see this here, this is the primer. Hopefully you can see this. It's just, I don't know if that's kind of blurry or not, but it's just a makeup primer. And I did not want to use this. I did not want to like this because I did not want to buy anything else. I thought, I've been using mineral foundation ever since I started wearing makeup. I don't want to use a makeup primer. I never had to before. And so I was like, I don't want to buy another product. I don't want to take another step that I have to add to my beauty routine. So for a while, when Young Living came out with their primer, they have a mattifying and a hydrating one. This one is the mattifying because I have oily skin. If your skin's drier, use the hydrating one. But I heard so many friends just raving about this primer, and I was just like, I don't think I need that, okay? I don't want to spend the money, and I'm cheap. I don't want to spend the money, and I don't want to add more time to my beauty routine. I just don't. Sorry, just don't. Finally, I caved, and I tried it, and you know what? I'm really glad I did because it 100% helps with applying mineral makeup. So applied that, and what I usually do is I will let that sit on my face 2 minutes. Usually I'll do my mascara and then I'll go ahead and apply the foundation. So primer, very, very necessary. Did not want to like it, did not want to love it. I use it, I love it. It really does its job. It really, in my opinion, the primer helps the foundation adhere to your face better, which is going to give you better coverage. So, and it's really light feeling. It doesn't feel cakey. That's another thing why I don't like makeup is I never wanted to wear a lot of makeup because, to be totally honest with you, I had really bad skin in high school. I had horrible acne, so the thought of putting like liquid foundation on my skin just sounded gross. I probably have used liquid foundation like a handful of times in my life when I was younger. Didn't like it because, like I say, my skin was really bad. It was gonna break it out even worse. I just would rather wear nothing. So that's why I got started using mineral foundation when I was in high school, because just really bad complexion, to be totally honest with you. And I didn't like the way it feels. I don't like feeling like I have a lot of makeup on. Some people love it. I have friends that love all kinds of different makeup and, and trying different things. I am not one of them. I am a mom who wants to get it on and get out the door. So now comes the foundation part. I wear Warm 2, it is called. If you want to get your kit, your makeup kit, and you're like, I don't know what one to use, Kelly, message me. I'll help you figure out what one you should get. We'll make sure you get the right one, okay? All right, here's another step. Being totally honest with you, I did not want to have to add to my routine, but it's necessary. That is using the Savvy Minerals Misting Spray. To be honest with you, my friends would use it, and I was like, seriously, misting spray, isn't it just water? Like, what is this gonna really do for me? I don't need this, okay? And so I didn't use it for a long time, and I got decent coverage. I noticed the difference. It definitely helps. I caved, again, bought the misting spray. As you can tell, I'm kind of a reluctant beauty person because I just don't wanna spend extra money that I don't need to, and I honestly don't wanna add more time, okay? It's like, I don't love it enough, okay? This stuff works, along with the primer, which is why I use them and buy them. The misting spray, in my opinion, what you do with it is you're just going to spray your brush, your foundation brush, a couple sprays if you want. If you feel like you got too much on, what I sometimes will do is just dab a little bit on my hand. What it does, in my opinion, is it helps the foundation adhere to the brush better, okay? So I have some foundation in here. What you can do is, this one is one of my newer foundations, so I came with some of it already came off in the lid. Otherwise, I just tap some and pour it right into the lid, okay? So what I feel like the misting spray does is, number one, like I say, helps the foundation adhere to the brush better. It also will then allow me to have more control over where the foundation is gonna go, which in turn helps give me better coverage. So it does definitely help. If you don't use it, you don't have to, but I definitely notice the difference. If you get your kit, it's included in the kit. All right, so here's what you do, here's what I do. I take my brush, swirl it in the lid where the foundation is. Tap, this is crucial, tap off the excess. So if you're one of the people who've messaged me and said, Kelly, I feel like mineral foundation is really messy, make sure that you're tapping off properly so that you are not getting it all over your clothes and everywhere else. And then just apply. I apply it in a circular motion like this. Let me get some more in there. I apply it in a circular motion, and that seems to work well. And don't worry, if you make a mistake with applying your foundation, and by the way, I have no mirror here, so this is gonna be interesting how this turns out. But what I'll tell you is I love mineral makeup for a number of reasons. One of them is it is very forgiving, okay? If you make a mistake, blend it out, okay? It is not one that I feel like is, you're stuck with the whole day, or you have to wash your face or something. No, you don't, not at all. You do not at all have to do anything like that. It is very forgiving. You can blend it out. And sorry if I'm staring. All right, and here, and I love that you don't even feel it, especially going into this warm weather. And like today, I volunteer at my son's school, and I'll be standing outside because I'm volunteering out at their recess time. And I don't want to feel like I'm melting my face off. I won't even feel like I have anything on, which is what I love. And if you have an area you need extra coverage, put more misting spray on, dip your foundation brush right in there again, and go over it a little bit extra, okay? And that's all I do really, is use the misting spray on the brush, swirl, tap it, and I apply it, like I said, in a circular motion like this. Now, I'm gonna share with you one other thing that I do, and that is, I've worn blush now maybe a year. I never used to wear blush. I'll tell you why. Because I felt like when I wore blush, I didn't know how to apply it. I felt like I was either, you couldn't tell I had it on, or all you would see were my cheeks. Like I felt like there was no in between with when I wore blush, which is why I love Young Living Savvy Minerals blush, because, and this is, in my opinion, this is the only way I'll wear blush from now on, is in a mineral powder like this, because it's light, it's natural looking, you can't really mess it up. If you put a little too much on, take your napkin or paper towel or whatever and just kind of go over it and just kind of, either smooth it out or dab it off. So it's very, very, very forgiving. This is another reason why, whether you've been wearing makeup for decades, whether you have a young daughter you want to get started on mineral makeup, This is why I love starting wearing mineral makeup, because not only is it good for your skin, so especially if you have a young girl, like how I had really horrible skin, that's why start them with stuff that's actually good for their skin and that's not gonna aggravate their skin, okay? And maybe, like I said, you've always wanted to try mineral makeup, but you were kind of intimidated by it. I assure you, if I can do this, anyone can do this. I am not gifted like this. Okay, here's the blush. This is, what one is it that I wear? Smashing, it's called. Same thing with the foundation. You're gonna just pour some of that. I'll tap it in there into the lid like this. So you get some in there, you can see that. I love that Young Living's colors are all really natural looking too. Like, I don't want you to know that I have makeup on, you know? I mean, some people love, you know, dramatic looks. I don't. I like it just, yeah, keep it natural looking. Again, swirl and tap like that. And then I just go up like this. And again, I'm not trying to create a massive cheekbone situation here, okay? I am not, I'll put some more in here. I just want to get a little bit of definition, say, oh, does she have some blush on? And not know for sure, you know? And that's pretty much it. Again, I don't have a mirror, so I'm hoping, and the lighting here is not good. I'm hoping this comes across, but you could see. It's natural looking, you know, it's not hard. It's very forgiving. It's the perfect makeup for, like I say, starting out with a young girl, because great for their skin, also easy to use, and it's good for their skin. Anyways, wanted to make sure that I just kind of take you through some of the things that I love. Like I say, hydrating, you can get a hydrating primer or a mattifying primer. I use the mattifying because I have oily skin. Hydrating if you have dry skin. It was a step that I did not want to add for many, many years, but finally using a primer, use it, love it, definitely makes a difference. Same with the misting spray. Something I did not want to add. I was like, I'm not going to spend money. Isn't it just water? What does it even do for me? I probably shouldn't say that, but it's true. It's exactly how I feel. I use it. I love it. Absolutely helps the foundation adhere to the brush better, gives you better control of your powder foundation, and I feel like it gives me better coverage then because I know exactly it's going to go where I want it to go. So there's that. And then the blush, like I say, if you're someone like me who I didn't wear blush for a long time because whenever I tried to apply it, all I either saw was nothing on my cheeks or holy cheek, you know, all I saw was my cheek. So love it. It's very natural. It's soft looking and easy to apply and very forgiving. So if you make a mistake, like I say, take your napkin or a paper towel or something and just dab off some extra or just blend it through, you know, with your foundation, it'll be fine. Anyways, I hope this little tutorial is helpful. Like I said, I'm not a beauty blogger. I just like to throw on some makeup in under 10 minutes, ideally, like I say, 5 to 7, and get out the door. So if you want, honestly, makeup that is great for your skin, makeup that will perform for you, and also that is easy to apply. It's really not hard and very forgiving. I encourage you to try Savvy Minerals makeup line. I use it, I love it. It's what I wear whenever I wear makeup all the time. And if you want to get started, the 100% the best value is to pick up the Savvy Minerals Premium Starter Kit. In fact, I just priced out everything. If you were to buy everything in the kit at retail separately, the entire kit would be $221.17. And that doesn't even include the brush that they give you. They pretty much give you everything to get started. In the kit, you will get one foundation. Like I said, again, I use Warm 2. If you have any questions about which one you are, message me. I will help you. We will get your right shade, don't worry. And you will also get a blush in your kit. You will get 3 eyeshadows. Another time I'll have to show you an eyeshadow tutorial. Again, I'm not really crazy gifted with eyeshadow. It's just, I'll show you kind of what I do with it, but I use their eyeshadows. You'll get 3 eyeshadows. You will also get a lip gloss. You will also get the misting spray here that is very, very useful. You will also get a foundation brush. You will also get 5 ml bottle, just a 5 ml bottle of lavender essential oil. Why do they include lavender in your beauty kit? Because lavender is awesome for your skin. Among other things, but it's really, really good for creating glowing skin and just also helping with acne and all kinds of stuff. So lavender essential oil is amazing. That's for your skin. That's why also really good for owies and boo-boos. So if you are someone who, you know, maybe you want to try mineral makeup, but you have no interest in essential oils, that's fine. But even if you want to just use the makeup line from Young Living, it is so worth it because I love their stuff. To be totally honest with you, when I got started with Young Living many years ago, if they would have had this makeup then, this is probably the kit that I would have got started with because I just really love mineral makeup. And I like that it's good for your skin and it's not going to aggravate your skin. It's very good even for sensitive skin. So, like I say, the entire kit, you basically get everything you need with the exception of the primer. And I highly recommend picking that one up. But you get everything you need. It's $150, but I give you $25 back in the form of either Amazon gift card or PayPal cash. So it's just $125 for everything. That's foundation, a blush, 3 eyeshadows, a lip gloss, the misting spray, the foundation brush, and the 5 ml bottle of lavender essential oil. All of it retails for around 221 bucks. You can pick it up for $125 plus shipping and tax. And plus that the retail price doesn't even include the cost of the brush, because I couldn't price that out separately. So it's a really good value. It's really a great way. Like I say, if you want to gift somebody a beauty set, maybe it's you and your daughter want to use it. Maybe you want to set your daughter, like I say, up with some really good makeup that is good for her. This is what I would do. If I had a daughter, this is 100% I would use mineral makeup for her, because she, chances are, would have my kind of skin, which was not great. But anyways, I hope this video has been helpful. I just want you to know that applying this stuff is super simple. You can get great coverage and natural looking coverage. If you have any questions, you can either leave a comment down below, send me a direct message, or you can always send me an email. If you're interested in getting your Savvy Minerals makeup kit, you can do so via the link that is in this post. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Bye-bye.